In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add more markets in Shopify. Whether you're planning to expand your online store internationally, reach customers in new regions, or simply want better control over currencies and languages, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and look toward the left-hand menu. From there, go ahead and click on the option labeled Markets. Once you're on the Markets page, you'll see an overview of your existing markets. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any important settings. Next, head to the top right corner and click on Create Market. This is where you'll start setting up a brand new market for your store. The first thing you'll do is give your market a clear and recognizable name. This helps you stay organized, especially if you're managing multiple regions at once. After naming your market, choose the regions or countries you want to include. You can select a single country or group several countries together, depending on your strategy. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you already know which currency works best for your target region, which products you want to sell there, and whether you'll need additional languages. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues later on. Once you've selected your regions, choose the correct currency to match your customers' expectations. After that, decide which products or catalogs will be available in this market. You'll also need to select the domain or URL structure and choose the languages customers will see. Don't forget to review taxes and duties carefully to stay compliant with local regulations. Finally, select the theme you want this market to use so the design matches local preferences. Once you've completed these steps, click Save at the top of the page. After that, you should be able to launch your new market and start selling to a wider audience without interruptions. It's also a good idea to preview your store as a customer from that region to make sure everything looks and works perfectly. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add more markets in Shopify easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same challenge. Why not make someone's day easier?